Hello and good morning, students. Welcome to the new class of mathematics. Children, we already completed indefinite integrals, and yesterday you have given test. Unfortunately, most of them were absent from the test. But still today we are starting new topic. Some special integrals. Here you have to derive some another type of question that will also use that identity. See, integrate dx upon a square minus x square. This is first type. Second type is integral of dx upon x square minus a square, and the third one is integral of dx upon x square plus a square. Later we will use as a formula. See the first one. First, integrate dx upon a square minus x square. In first step, apply the formula for a minus b into a plus b. Dx upon a plus x into a minus x. See, the denominator is product of two linear factors. So apply partial fraction. Our function is 1 upon a plus x into a minus x. According to property, let it is a upon a plus x plus b upon a minus x. Suppose this is equation number 1. Take out LCM, then 1 upon a plus x into a minus x should equals to a into a minus x plus b into a plus x upon a plus x into a minus x. Now compare them, compare both sides. Then numerator should equals to 1 as denominators are same. Therefore we write a into a minus x plus b into a plus x should equivalent to or should equals to 1. Now here put a minus x is equal to 0. A minus x is equal to 0 means a equal to x, or you can say x is equal to a. Thus from this equation, that is from equation number 2, we have from 2 we have 0, and this should be a plus a, that is 2a into b is equals to 1. So b is equal to 1 by 2a. Similarly, in next case, put other factor, that is a plus x is equal to 0. When a plus x is equal to 0 means when x is equal to minus a. In that case, we have from equation 2 a into minus 2a, a minus minus a means plus 2a plus b into 0, that is 0 is equals to 1. So a should also equals to 1 by 2a. These are the values of a and b. Use this in equation number 1. Using this value in 1, then 1 upon a plus x into a minus x should be written as a upon a plus x, that is 1 upon 2a. This is value of a, and a plus x, plus b, which is also 1 upon 2a. So 1 upon 2a should taken as common. So plus 1 upon a minus x. 1 by 2a should taken as common. Now integrate both sides. So integrating both sides, then in LHS we should write this one as a square minus x square. Now integrate dx. 1 by 2a is constant, so we take it outside integration. Integral of dx upon a plus x plus integration of dx upon a minus x. Now integration becomes very simple. This would be 1 upon 2a log a plus x, and this is log a minus x. Coefficient of x is negative, that is minus 1, so it becomes minus, and 1 by 2a is overall common. So finally dx upon x square minus a square should equals to 1 by 2a. Apply the property of logarithm here, so it should be log a plus x upon a minus x plus integral constant c. In this way we integrate such type of problem. This is a square and this is x square. Such type of problem. 1 upon a square minus x square is equals to 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x. This is also treated as a formula. Similarly, we integrate second one, that is dx upon x square minus a square. Again we expand it, dx upon x minus a into x plus a. Like previous problem, by partial fraction, expand this one also as a partial fraction, then we get, or in another way we write like also this 1 upon 2a. First step rationalized by 2a upon x minus a plus x plus a. Further it should be written in two integrals, like 1 upon 2a integration of x plus a minus x minus a. Opening the bracket, x and x should be cancelled, a and minus minus plus, so a plus a 2ab remains here, upon x plus a into x minus a dx. Here there is no sign of plus, this is multiplication. Now separate it into two integration, so it should be 1 upon 2a is overall common. In first integration, x plus a bata x plus a into x minus a. X plus a should cancel here. This is 1 bata x minus a dx. And in second integration, x minus a should cancel, so it is 1 upon x plus a dx. Now integrate them. So after integration it should be 1 upon 2a, it is log x minus a minus log x plus a. Again apply the property of logarithm. So after apply property of logarithm, it is 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus integral constant c. So in this way we also integrate such type of problem and also further use as a formula. So we write here as dx upon x square minus a square is equals to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus constant c. This is your another means second result, or I have already told you that we use this as a formula in later problems. Your third one is integrate dx upon x square plus a square. First of all, take a square as a common from the denominator. Then denominator should equals to dx upon, this becomes 1, and this is x upon a whole square. So 1 upon 1 plus x square, its integral is tan inverse a. For make it simple, put x bata a is equal to u. Then dx will be 1 by a dx is equal to du, or dx is equal to a du, a into du. Putting this substitution in the question here. So after putting substitution, we have integral of dx bata x square plus a square is equals to 1 bata a square. Integral of value of dx is a du, so it is a du upon 1 plus u square. 1a should cancel here. Now this is according to formula 1 bata 1 plus u square, which is tan inverse u. Hence this should be written as 1 by a tan inverse u, and finally write down the value of u, means 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. This is our integration. So again add here integral constant c. So finally we get integral of dx upon x square plus a square is equals to 1 bata a tan inverse x bata a plus c. These are the formulas also, means these are also identities. Thus we have proved 3 identities here, and on the basis of these identities we will solve the different types of problem on the basis of these identities. See first question. Your first question is integrate sin x dx divided by 1 minus 4 cos square x. Your first question is integrate dx sin x dx upon 1 minus 4 cos square x. So in very first step, apply substitution and put cos x is equals to u. Differentiating it, then sin x dx will be minus du, sin x dx will be minus du. Now your integration should now be written as minus sin x dx, that is minus du. So minus du upon 1 minus 4 u square. Now take this 4 outside integration, means take common 4 from the denominator, means 1 by 4 integral of du upon 1 by 4, this also reduces to 1 by 4 from 1 minus u square, that is minus 1 by 4 to integral of du upon 1 by 2 square minus u square, since 1 by 4 is square of 1 by 2. We have just derived in the very first formula integration of 1 upon a square minus x square. So apply directly formula here. Minus 1 by 4 is already here. Integration of a square minus a square minus x square is 1 upon 2a. Here a is 1 by 2 log of a plus x upon a minus x. Now simplify it. First the 2 and 2 should cancel here. This becomes minus 1 by 4 log, take the LCM of numerator as well as denominator. So both LCM is 2, which should be cancelled, and we have 1 plus 2x divided by 1 minus 2x. Sorry, this is not x, these are u. I am extremely sorry, these are u. 1 plus 2u but 1 minus 2u. Now write down the value of u, which is cos x. So it is minus 1 upon 4 to log 1 plus 2 cos x divided by 1 minus 2 cos x plus constant c. This is your result. In this way we solve the problems. Now see, next question. Your next question is integrate dx upon x square plus 8x plus 20. So first simplify this one, that is dx upon x square plus 2 into 4x, which is 8x. 20 should be written as 16 plus 4. Now see, x square plus 2 into 4x plus 16 is a square of 4, so it should be according to formula of a plus b whole square, means integration of dx bata x plus 4 whole square plus 4 means square of 2. Again apply substitution, put x plus 4 is equal to u, so dx is equal to du, and hence integration is du upon u square plus 2 square. This is according to the identity of third question, which is 1 by a. Here a is 2, tan inverse x by a means u by 2, and now write down the value of u, which is 1 by 2 tan inverse. Our u is x plus 4, so x plus 4 by 2 plus integral constant c. So children, in this way we solve the different type of problems. In my next class we will see another integration, first identity and solution of some question. Till then, thank you.